Hello students, how are you? Hoping you will be fine. Today we will study chapter number 4, Tick Tick Tick, Class 4 Maths NCERT book. Today we will learn how to draw the hands in a clock for a given time. So let's start. These are some problems given on page number 39 of this chapter. So the question is asking you, draw where the hands will be. Let us start. Here you see it is saying 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So we have to find what will be the position of hour hand and minute hand during 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So for this we see that time has been 6 o'clock and after that 20 minutes have passed. So for this student, first we draw hour hand towards 6. First we draw hour hand pointing towards 6. Now we have to draw minute hand. So the question is, where should it be? We see 20 minutes have passed. So for this you can easily find out how many steps it should have moved. I told you last time, in moving from one number to the next number it takes 5 minutes. So here total minutes are 20. So it means we have to find a number which when multiplied with 5 gives 20. So we see that 4 5 ja 20. So it means the minute hand should be pointing towards 4. So let us draw here. So this is minute hand towards the 4. So in this way we can see this time. This is 20 minutes past 6 o'clock. Coming to the next question. Now it is saying 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. It means 10 minutes have passed after 7 o'clock. So let's start. Here our hand should be towards 7. So I am going to draw here. You see, this is towards 7 and now for 10 minutes. So we have to think a number that should be multiplied with 5 so that it becomes 10. So you see the number is 2. It means minute hand should be pointing towards 2. So I am drawing here. Now this is. So you see here, this is the time of 7:10, means 10 minutes past after 7 o'clock, or we can say 10 past 7. Similarly, it is showing 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. It means 30 minutes have passed after 8 o'clock. So first we will draw our hand. It should be towards 8. So let's draw. This is towards 8. Dear students, here we have to be careful that since 30 minutes have passed, so the hour hand should be between 8 and 9. So I am going to draw here. It should be in between 8 and 9. And for 30 minutes, again we have to think a number which when multiplied by 5 gives 30. So we see it is 6. So 6 5s are 30. So minute hand should be towards 6. So it is like this. So here you see it is 8:30 time, or you can say half past 8 or 30 minutes past 8. And this is the last question. 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. It means 15 minutes have passed after 5. So for 5 we see we have to draw our hand towards 5. I'm going to draw. This is our hand and 15 minutes. So for 15 minutes we have to think again a number which when multiplied with 5 gives 15. So it is 3. 3 5s are 15. So the minute hand should be pointing towards 3. So this is the time of 5:15 or 15 minutes past 5, or we can say quarter past 5. So dear students, this is how we can draw the hands of a clock when time is given. So in question A, you see our minute hand is pointing towards 4 and our hand is pointing towards 6. In question B, our hand is pointing towards basically between 8 and 9 and minute hand towards 6. Question C, our hand is pointing towards 7 and minute hand is pointing towards 2. And in question D, our hand is pointing towards 5 and minute hand is pointing towards 3. So I hope you would have understood this. So that's all for today. In the next class we will come with some new problems and solve them. So that's all. Thank you very much.